everyone. So now let us talk about digital inclusion. Digital inclusion is the practice of ensuring everyone has equitable, safe, and meaningful access to technology, including reliable internet, devices, and the skills needed to use them. It is crucial for preventing the marginalization of vulnerable groups, enabling access to essential services like healthcare, education, and employment, and fostering overall socio-economic equity. The foundations of digital inclusion. So first is affordable and accessible internet services and infrastructure. So the internet provides people with equal opportunities to participate and compete online globally. It is a window to the wider world that enables cultural and political exchanges, open dialogue, fun, and exploration. Second is connected and useful devices. So these devices like computers, laptop, mobile devices, tablets, and many more that connect to the internet and meet the diverse needs of users are necessary for digital inclusion. This hardware should accommodate a wide range of user requirements and contribute to a more inclusive digital experience. Third is digital literacy training. Digital literacy education is very essential to promote digital inclusion. It equips people with the skills necessary to navigate and exchange with the digital technologies mentioned in the previous section and software like applications, websites, and computer programs. So now let us talk about the examples of digital inclusion. So first is digital literacy, where different types of organizations offer programs that help to digitally empower different groups such as the elderly or people with disability. Next is online education. In addition to the digital literacy mentioned above, digital education is another example of how to move forward with digital inclusion. So without physical or geographical barriers, online education allows people to continue their education in a different way than was the case not so long ago. Another is expanding connectivity. As mentioned above, connectivity is indispensable for social inclusion. There are different initiatives to improve connectivity, with many differences depending on the geographical region. And lastly, inclusive technology. So adapting access for more people with different abilities from different devices, making it possible for them to use. So now we will going to move on to the ICT 4D concepts. So ICT 4D concepts, or the information and communication technologies for development, concepts involve using digital tools like mobile phones, internet, AI, radio, to accelerate social and economic development in low and middle income countries. It aims to bridge the digital divide, improve education, healthcare, and agriculture, and also empower marginalized communities through sustainable technology interventions. So there are 4 key theories and concepts in ICT 4D. First is the digital divide. One of the primary challenges of ICT 4D seeks to address in the digital divide the gap between those who have access to technology and those who don't. This divide exists both within and between countries. Many developing countries still lack the necessary infrastructure like stable internet connections or widespread mobile coverage, not fully benefit from ICTs. Even where technology is available, affordability and literacy barriers can limit its usage. Next is empowerment. So empowerment through ICT 4D means providing individuals and communities with the tools and knowledge to take control of their own development. By making information accessible and communication easier, technology can enable people to make informed decisions, improve their livelihoods, and advocate for their rights. Third is the participation. So, a successful ICT 4D project requires participation from the community it aims to serve. This means involving local stakeholders in the design and implementation process to ensure that the project addresses real need and challenges. Participation also fosters a sense of ownership, which can improve the sustainability of ICT 4D initiatives. Lastly, sustainability. For an ICT 4D initiative to have long-term success, it must be sustainable. This means ensuring that the project is not overly dependent on outside funding, that the technology is appropriate for the local context, and that there is a plan in place for continued support and maintenance. Sustainability also refers to the environment impact of technology, as some ICT tools can contribute to a waste or other ecological concerns. So here are the ICT 4D projects examples. First is Remote Area Community Hotspot for Education and Learning. A portable server providing offline access to educational material like Wikipedia, Khan Academy in areas without internet. So these are the sources that I have gathered. And so far, that's all for this video.